In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Keltner channels in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the main tool icons are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. This is the section where you can access and manage different chart indicators. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators menu. Inside this menu, select Add Indicator. This will open a list of available indicators that you can add to your chart. Once the indicator list is open, scroll through the available options carefully or use the search box to quickly find Keltner Channels. When you locate Keltner Channels in the list, select it to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the indicator will be applied automatically to your active chart view. Now move your attention back to the chart where the Keltner Channels will be displayed. At this point, you can proceed to adjust how the indicator appears and behaves. To do this, find and click the Settings option associated with the Keltner Channels indicator. This will open the customization panel for the indicator. Inside the Settings menu, you will be able to adjust the display preferences and configuration options for the Keltner Channels. Make any adjustments you need within this Settings panel to match your preferred chart setup. Once you finish making changes, the indicator will remain active on your chart with your updated settings applied. You can continue working within Robinhood Legend while the Keltner Channels stay visible on your chart for analysis. If you need to make further changes later, return to the Indicators section and repeat the same process to access the settings again.